Eventsquid, software that thinks like you and works like 8 of you.
This quick tutorial will teach you how to use the Eventsquid contact scanning app at your event. First, download the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, access the icon on your phone, tap it, and open the app. You should have received a communication from the event host giving you both the event ID and an authorization code that you need in order to scan QR codes at your event. Simply enter the event ID followed by the authorization code. Now you're ready to scan. When you approach somebody who has a badge with a QR code on it, you may simply scan it, and that person will appear at the top of your list of contacts. Tap the message icon to communicate with your contact via text, phone, or email. All of these methods lead to your phone's native text, call, and email functions. That way, you're not tied to the app if after the event you'd like to reach out to that person. Tapping the pencil icon brings you to an area where you can make notes about your contact. To export your list of contacts, simply tap the Export List button at the top of the screen and enter an email address for your CSV file destination. A CSV or comma-separated value file can be opened in Microsoft Excel and Numbers on a Mac. To scan the next badge, simply tap the QR code icon in the upper right of the screen and scan the next contact. That's all there is. You're now ready to use the Eventsquid contact scanning app.
Eventsquid, software that thinks like you and works like 8 of you.